This is the LDS Business College Library tutorial for using Ebrary. This database grants access to authoritative ebooks from trusted publishers. You would choose this database if you are looking for nonfiction books to help your research. You can find Ebrary by clicking eBooks on the home page of the library's website. From there, you'll be directed to the LibGuide for ebooks, and you will select Ebrary to access the database. Next, we can see the option to browse by subject area. This will take you to a list of all the books in Ebrary that are related to the topic that is selected. For example, if I'm interested in books about religion, I would click Religion. Here there are over 7,000 results that pop up. It's a bit overwhelming, which is why it's a good idea to use the search function. To search, you have two options, simple and advanced. To do a simple search, you simply type your keywords into the search bar and press search. For example, if I search Japan and marine mammals, I get just under 6,000 results, still too many to sort through. So, using these boxes, I'm going to focus my search down a little bit. Much better. 370 is a much more manageable number to sort through to find results that are helpful for my research. The other option is to search using the advanced search function. You can do that either by going to the home page and choosing advanced, or by selecting a topic. When you select a topic, the advanced search option opens automatically at the top of the page. You can see that there's already some search criteria. These are the call numbers for the subject you are browsing. You can get rid of the call numbers by pressing the minus symbol, or you can leave them there and search even more granularly. In each new field that you create, you will specify what Ebrary should be searching and for what. For example, I am interested in history as a subject, so I'll select subject and type history. I'd also like to see books that have Civil War in the title. Now I'll press search, and I'll see that I have just under 400 results. That's a decent number, but I would like to narrow it down a little bit more. I'm interested in the United States Civil War, so I'll check that. I'm also interested in the social conditions, so I'll click that. Still have a lot of results here, so I can narrow it down even more based on my research question. So I'm going to click Women and press search. Now I have 12 results. This is far more manageable, and if I want to sort my results, I can choose by date, publisher, contributor, title, or relevance. I'll choose relevance. Once I choose a resource that I like, I open to this page. Here I have the option to read online or download the full text. If you want to download the full text, you will need to download Adobe Digital Editions, which is free software from Adobe. And if you choose to download it to your phone, you will need to get Blue Fire Reader, a free app. In this case, I'm going to read it online. When I click to read it online, you get the big text in this pane, and a toolbar on both the left side and the top ribbon. The left toolbar toggles between the table of contents, annotations, and a tool that lets you search within the text. On the top toolbar, you can do a full download, a chapter download, print, or citations, amongst other options. If you have any questions or would like help exploring this database further, come ask a librarian at the third floor reference desk.